Okay, what we have here is a blank CD. It's pretty cool. It's got like a design on it. Yeah, we're going to put it on a paper plate because I don't want it to mess up the microwave, because I use this microwave to cook things that I eat. So, let's start it up. Oh my god! That scared the poo out of me. Well, it was very interesting. It sparked like instantly, and it made me go, oh my god! And the bottom, it looks freaking cool actually. I think I'm going to use this as like a decoration somewhere. So, yeah, that was cool.
Hey, I hope that guy doesn't try to fish for us. I really hope he doesn't put us in the microwave though.
Okay, that was actually my voice. You might have thought it was the fish's voices, but it was mine. Oh my gosh, it's sparking. Holy crap, it caught on fire. Okay. It's sizzling a little bit. And, what is this? This is where you used to, like, turn the... Oh my gosh, it's catching on fire. I should probably blow it out. Oh goodness, I don't know if it's going to blow out. Let's put it under water and see what happens. Alright. That was awesome. The plastic started melting here. Yep. There's a lot of water coming. Oh yeah, that's because I just ran it in water. Okay. So that was pretty cool. Alright, we got a mechanical pencil, a wooden pencil, and a pen. Let's see what happens when we put them in the old microwave. I bet it's going to spark a little bit because there's a little bit of metal. Maybe. Not yet, but... I'm doing it. Holy crap! Woo! That's a lot of smoke.
Smells like a barbecue.
And I hope I got that fire in the recording. I like jumped my hand out of the way, so sorry if you didn't get the full experience there. Okay. So we got this flame car that I made in middle school that's just been waiting for the day it could catch on fire.
No plate.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Get a plate.
No plate.
Okay, plate.
Way to go, Alex. I want to see it melt into oblivion, melt into the microwave.
I'm having trouble sticking up.
It freaks out, shoots out, and kills someone.
It's gonna kill me probably. That's what we were talking about. Like,
It doesn't really fit on the plate,
right,
but whatever.
like,
Let's see what happens.
Eric's gonna
Start it up.
Oh,
dang! Catch on fire, man.
That's a hot wheel.
Whatever. Is that gonna... Oh, it's gonna smoke up like hell. Okay.
Guitar.
Okay, so
Probably
we
like, that'd
have
be crazy. It's like our sister psyche.
ink cartridge in the microwave.
It's like our psyche.
I'm pretty sure there's poison in your lungs.
Wow. It's so awesome, I don't want to open it.
Oh, I knew it.
There's all this stuff floating around.
Yes.
You've seen the CD, now we got the CD in the CD player. This is gonna do something crazy.
Oh my god. So bad. So bad. There you go. Oh shit. Oh, it is.
Let's see it come back around.
Oh,
It's just sparking, really. That's goofy. It is smoky. Alright, so we got these CDs and we got this magnet thing with a bunch of metal on it. This is stupid as hell, but whatever.
Doing it anyway.
Smells delightful. Wow! Owen's catching on fire. Okay. For the sake of my microwave that I eat things out of, I'm gonna open it now. And that's a wrap.